How to add Lambo financial token to Bybit wallet. So this token, as you can see, came under the symbol of WLFI. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, to be able to add this token to Bybit wallet, what you need to do, first of all, go to contracts, and now you can copy the token address from here. As you can see, you can click here to copy the token address, and this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now, open your Bybit wallet. For that, as you can see, now first of all, I will just log into my wallet before add this token. Now, as you can see, now first of all, from the top right corner, you can now select the Ethereum network and now click on these three lines. Now, as you can see, you can paste token address here, or you can click on this plus icon, and now you can paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. So this is our token. But before that, make sure to read that alert. And if you are ready to go, now click on confirm to add this token to your wallet. Now, if you want to make sure that you add this token to your wallet, now just go back and make sure to select the Ethereum network. And now you can search for your token that you just added called WLFI. As you can see, this is it, added successfully to our wallet. So this is how to add WLFI or Lambo financial token on Bybit wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.